They are a happy family.
Ross is a Bible. Ross is a Bible. 1, 2, 3. Play with me.
Before Mama Sheep goes to the market, she says,
I go to the market. Don't open the door for anyone. Yes, Mama. Mama, can you buy a kite for me? Mama, can you buy a strawberry for me? Mama, can you buy an apple for me? Mama, can you buy for ice cream for me? Mama, can you buy a salad for me? Mama, can you buy a hamburger for me? Of course, wait for me. Goodbye, baby.
rock, scissors, paper, rock, scissors, paper. The wolf see Mama Sheep leaves. He wait until she is far away. Then the wolf go to the 7 sheep. The wolf knocks on the door. Nói to lên con.
Open the door. It is your mom.
But the 7 sheep see black feet under the door. So they say, the wolf put white flour on his feet and he knocks on the door again.
Open the door. It is your mom.
The 7 sheep see white feet under the door. So they say, the 7 sheep open the door. The wolf runs into the house. The wolf finds 6 little sheep, one by one. But the wolf can't find the 7 sheep. The 7 sheep is hiding in the clock case. And it turned 3 o'clock. The cuckoo comes out. The cuckoo pokes the wolf's eyes.
Ow, my eye.
The wolf screams and pulls the 6 little sheep to the field.
Ai vừa đọc đây. Đây này, chỗ này.
The wolf is very tired and he says,
I'm very tired. I must sleep now.
the 6 little sheep scare and shout. Mama Sheep comes home.
Mama, I am here. Where are my baby?
Alo. Trọng Nghĩa ơi. Trọng Nghĩa ơi.
Mama.
Trọng Nghĩa biết cổng không? Cầm lấy.
Hả? Mama, I am here. Where are your brother and sister? When you go to the market, an ugly wolf appear and cut off my brother and sister. Don't worry, for me. Let's find the wolf. Be quiet. Rời đi rồi nói. Mama, I love you.